It's like this. Open it.
Do you need help?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? This is tricky.
Davis, this and this.
Yeah, that's right. Oh, that's... Are you tickling Davis? We should have him open Davis's first.
It's okay. Whatever you want to do.
Can you pull the ribbon off?
Davis is looking at Harrison.
Pull the ribbon off. Oh, okay, we got that.
Good job,
Here,
Harrison.
now pull on the paper.
Oh.
Pull hard.
Gonna...
Wow.
Here, keep pulling, Harrison. Keep pulling. Let's open it. Let's get it open.
Oh. Wow. This.
Whoa!
Open it.
Oh.
Read.
Oh, it's upside down. But look at that. This is Monstropolis. 70 flaps to lift. Oh my.
Those are just like your socks, Harrison.
Yeah, it's Sully and Mike Wazowski.
Do you remember Sully? Wow.
Be gentle with the flaps. Wow. And look, Harrison, you got a new shirt that has a hodag on it. See that? Harrison, look. See this monster? It's a hodag.
Can you say hodag?
Hold that.
That's
Good
right.
job. Harrison, can you look up here? Say thank you,
Thank you.
Grandma, Joe, and Grandpa, Jeff. Can you look and blow a kiss? Say love you. Can you say love you?
How are you?
Good job. Do you want to open up Davis's?
Better.
We'll look at this for bedtime. But first, oops, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
No, I'm sorry. We have to help Davis. Okay, pull on that. Pull it this way.
You're such a big helper. Look, Davis is watching you, Harrison. He loves you.
Okay, pull on the paper. Here, pull up here. Pull out. Wow. Oh, good job.
Oh. Wow. Cool. Oh.
Can you pull? Pull on the paper.
Good.
Yeah, it's another book.
Another.
Is it upside down? Turn it this way.
Are you going to read it to Davis?
No. Yeah.
Yeah? Oh.
What a nice
And what-
brother.
Oh, look, Davis. Davis got a onesie that matches your shirt, Harrison. Look.
Yay.
Harrison, look. Harrison, what is that? Hodag?
Book.
Hodag. Your book is down here. I'm keeping it safe. You want it back?
It's okay. He doesn't need it. Huh? He's like, I'm talking, Dad. I'm reading books with Harrison. Harrison, say love you.
How are you?
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Say thank you, Davis.
Thank you, Davis.
Oh, no. Good job.
Say goodnight, Casey.
Yeah, right? He says good night. Thank you.